वंदे गुरुपदद्वन्द्वं भक्तबिन्दुसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं बिन्दावनं मनोहरम् वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपासिन्धुभवच पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयितगिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवं। वृन्दावै तुलसीदेव वै पिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिपदे देवी सत्त्ववत्त्वयि नमो नमः। नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयो मुदीरये। संकीर्तने कृष्ण कथोपदेशे गौरीयपत्रस्य प्रकाशने च सदानुरक्त गुरु भक्ति युक्तो भक्ति प्रमोदाक्ष जगोद्वरुण्य ध्येयं सदा परिभवग्नमभिष्टदोहं तेथास्पदं शिवविरिञ्चनुतं शरण्यं वेत्तात्तिहं पुनुतपाल्भवाद्दिपूतं वन्दे महापुरुषते चरुणारविन्दं यत्पादपल्लवनखचन्दमनिच्छटाय विस्फुरिजित किमपि गववधू स्वदर्शि पूर्णानुरागरससागरसारमूर्तिः साराधिकामयि कदा कृपां करोति। श्रीकृष्णचैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तबिंद श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तबिंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। आजानुलंबित भुजौ कनकाबदातो संकीर्तनैकपितरो कमलायताक्षो विश्वाम्बरो द्विजभरो जुगधर्मपालो वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरो करुणाभतारो। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। नमामि गंगे तव पादपङ्कजं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितो दिव्यरूपं भुक्तिं च मुक्तिं च ददासि नित्यं भावानुरूपेण सदा नरानं। गंगातरङ्गरमणीयजटाकलापं गौरी निरन्तरविभूषी त्ववामभागं नारायणो प्रियमनङ्गमदापहारं वाराणसीपुरपति भजवीशनाथं वागीसजुष्वदने लक्ष्मीर्यस्य च वक्षसि यस्यास्ते हृदय संवित् त्वं सिंहमहं भजे। हरे कृष्ण Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Anadinidanam Brahma Sabda Tattvam Yadaksharaha Nivartati Arthabhavena Pakriya Jagato Yataha Anadinidanam Brahma Sabda Tattvam Yadaksharaha Nivartati Arthabhavena Pakriya Jagato Yataha Gauriya Goshtipati Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that if we are failure to maintain Sankirtan Jagyagni flame in our Sankirtan Bhavan, in each and every month, then there can take place some rivalry, competition, infighting, suspicion, doubt, and we can live, and all those dust particles like doubt, suspicion, competition, everything can come and ultimately can stop our Hari Bhajan. So, Prabhupada speaking, we must try to keep alive the flame which is already glowing, which is already, enlightened by Srila Sriman Mahaprabhu at Sivas Angan. That flame we can try our best to maintain. The flame is going to, if we are going to lose that flame of Sankirtan Jagyagni, all different kind of, dirty thing like competition, jealousy, infighting mood, doubts and suspicion, all can arise. All those can be compared with the dust particle, stone chips and everything, and can cover up our heart, and we can lose everything. We Gauriyas always demand that we are the followers of Rupa Goswami path, then we must justify, then we must try to justify with ourselves. Then we must try our best to justify with ourselves, because we are going to identify ourselves as the followers of Rupa Goswami path. Surely those who are the followers of Rupa Goswami path, surely those who all are the followers of Rupa Goswami path, they cannot have this kind of dirty thing, ugly thing, because Rupa Goswami path, I already told the first day, to become the dust particle from the lotus feet of Rupa Goswami path. It is our target. We all want to become one dust particle which is so beautiful, so attractive for Krishna. If we can get that kind of seva roop, seva saroop, if we can develop that kind of seva saroop, which is just equal to or near approximation, the beauty is shown by one dust particle from the lotus feet of Rupa Goswami path, then Krishna can obviously feel attraction for us. He can accept us. That also not ordinary way, special way, because we demand we are Rupanuga devotees. The sloka is started with is very important. Anadinidanam Brahmo Sabda Tatyam Yadaksharaha Nivartate Arthabhavena Pakriya Yagato Yataha. This slok can substantiate, can prove that Akshara Brahma, Kshara and Akshara, two type of thing we can find. Kshara means perishable, eh? In course of time, which all can get destroyed. That is called Kshara. And Akshara means Akshara Brahma, Avinashi, never going to be destroyed, Avinashi. So Sabda Tattva we can discuss today. Shabda Brahma, you can remember, Athato Brahma Jigyasa is nothing but Athato Tattva Jigyasa. Athato Tattva Jigyasa surely means Athato Shabda Jigyasa, all same. All same. Athato Brahma Jigyasa, because Sabda, Aprakita Sabda implies Brahma, so all the same. So Athato Brahma Jigyasa, Athato Tattva Jigyasa, Athato Sabda Jigyasa, all same. Anadi Nidanam Brahma Sabda Tattam Yadakshara Nivartate Artho Bhavena Pakriya Jagatu Yata. All the creation, everything, Prakita, Prakita coming from that Sabda Brahma. Everything coming from Sabda Brahma, nothing. Everything coming from Sabda Brahma. So, the Bhagavatam, in Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, first sloka, Yanmadasya yato enmayadita ratasvarthisu savigya sarado tene brahma viraja adi kavayam yantiya surayo. That all going to imply that Brahma was. That Brahma was. So, it is the advice of Srila Prabhupada to everybody that please you all try to get alive. I mean the flame of Sankirtan Jogani should be there. We should not put off the lamp. We are already enlightened by Sriman Mahaprabhu at Srivas Angan, Prabhupada Bhaktivinoda Thakur, through our parampara. Through our parampara, it is our duty to keep it alive. It is our duty. Those who are demons, they are always trying to put up the flame of Sankirtan Yogani. They don't like it. Because actual Sankirtan Yogani can prove their naked sarup. That's why it is there, So, what is the conclusion we come? Yesterday I already told, Sabda Praman, out of all 10 different kind of evidences or proofs, Sabda Praman is the best. Amnaya Sabda Praman is the best because Bhagavan, I mean Brahma, Parabrahma can be identified with Sabda. So, qualitatively same thing. If a man going to speak about one man, that is, that is good. Because a dog, any animal cannot speak. So, we know that Ved is Amnai, that is evidence. Vedasya sarvai rahameva vidya, Bhagavan already told. In Gita, Vedasya sarvai rahameva vidya, Vedanta krit, Veda videvo chaham. Bhagavan already told, confessed. wanted to confess. Also we know from Bhagavatam, Vedasya, Vedasya Ishwar Atmatvat, Vedasya, Vedasya Ishwar Atmatvat, Vedasya Ishwar Atmatvat Tatra Muhyanti Surayo. Ved being non-different from Bhagavan, Vedasya Ishwar Atmatvat Tatra Muhyanti Surayo. So all Dibba Suri, they also feel confusion to come into absolute conclusion about Brahma Vastu, Vedasya Ishwar Atmatvat, Vedasya Ishwar Atmatvat, Tatrumu Yanti Surayo. Ved and Ishwar non-different from each other. Ved is evidence. I already told. Vedasya Sarvai Rahame Vidya. So, all Dibba Suri, they feel confusion about it because they cannot come into conclusion proper. So, Ved is evidence, and since Bhagavan can take incarnation, not can take, but already Bhagavan has the incarnations of Sabda. Bhagavan can incarnate as Sabda. Sabda. Follow. Bhagavan can come in the form of Sabda. We know already. Kali Kale Nam Rupe Krishna Avatar. Krishna Nam and Krishna non-different from each other. Krishna Nam and Krishna non-different from each other. There is no doubt in it. So, Bhagavan can take in fact, Srimad Bhagavad Gita Mahapuran is also Shabda Brahma because non-different from Krishna himself. Sukdev Goswami speaking, Krishna parivartitaha. Krishna parivartitaha. And in other places, it is written Srimad Bhagavad Gita, about Srimad Bhagavad Gita Mahapuran. Sukdev Goswami already told that Srimad Bhagavatam Krishna Mevahi, Srimad Bhagavad Gita Mahapuran, Krishna Evahi, no other than Krishna. Krishna himself coming in the form of Sabda Brahma. Right? So, Sabda Brahma, I mean Krishna, incarnation of Krishna in the form of sound, and Krishna Sarup, all non-different from each other. So, Bhagavan, what kind of Vastu Bhagavan is? Ved is the documents, absolute documents, and can this Veda, Sabda Brahma can connect us with Bhagavan through the promotion of sadhuka. I mean, Bhagavan is sadhu sambandhayukto, those who are related with Bhagavan, that kind of sadhu, exalted sadhu, their speech is also document, I mean evidence, arso biggo bhakko. Arso biggo bhakko. So, through this argument, all documents we like to prove, Shabdo can identify Sabdo. Shabdo can identify Sabdo. So, Sabdo, except Sabdo, by the help of something else, if we like to give identity of Sabda Brahma, it is impractical. I mean, that is why we are Sabdavadi. Vasudev is also depending upon Sabda. Next time when I can discuss, I can show how Brahma wanted to give this transcendental knowledge of Bhagavatam to Brahma. Brahma wanted to give this knowledge to Naraji Maharaj, having giving advice, you must preach it very nice way without any duplicity. So, this way, our great exalted Tattacharya, Srila Jiva Goswami Pad, I already told yesterday, Jiva Goswami Pad told that due to different problems, Sabda Tattva is more practical. If we depend upon some other evidences, is not practical. So Jiva Goswami Pad already told, I read, I already told yesterday, nicely. I wanted to prove that Jiva Goswami Pad wanted to show that Sabda Tattva is a more practical thing, so no other evidence can stand. All other documents we cannot accept because this can. I already told Jiva Goswami Pad, Siddhanta Vichar from Tattva Sandarbha, Tatro Purushasya Brahmadi Dosa Chatustaya Dushtatvat Sutaram Aloki Sutaram Aloki Kachinta Sabhava Vastu Sparsha Ajogya Ajogyatvat Tat Prakcha Patakhyadini Opi Sadusani. What I told? Tatro Purushasya Brahmadi Dosas Chatushtayo Dushtatvat Sutaram Alaukika Achinta Sabhavo Vastus Parsha Yogyatvat Tat Pratyakhyadini Opi Sadosani. All other documents, there are different kind of defects can be there, flaw. So, out of Pratyaksha, Anuman, Shabda, Amnaya Vakko, Arsho, Upaman, Arthapatti, Abhava, Sambhava, Vaitijya, Cheshta, out of all 10 different kind of Brahman, because those evidences are afflicted with Brahma, Pramad, Vipralusa, Karnapada, but Apaurusha, Ved Bhakko, Amnaya Bhakko can never be defective. Because it's just a Sabda Brahma, there cannot be any defects in it. There cannot be any defects in it. It's all right. So, Jiva Goswami Pad wanted to defend, and I already told that Rupa Goswami Pad wanted to defend upon Sabda Praman. On the basis of that, he wanted to establish the gist, Siddhanta of Brihad Bhagavatamrita. I already told Param Mritodaihi Purne Siddhanta Varidho Rochite Rupapadeno Lagu Bhagavatamrite Abhaso Baladevasyo Sukshmatikānusārataha Kenachid Hari Bhaktena Likshate Brajavasena. Okay. So, any Mahapurush, exalted devotees, you cannot find any Brahma, Brahma, Vipralusa, Karnapatab in their speeches, writing. Bonded soul when acting as Jagadguru, bonded soul when acting as Acharya, can kill himself, can take himself into hell to together with all of his followers. It's a must. So bonded soul, his remark, all different kind of dirty remarks can prove that he is a bonded soul, he is never a liberated soul. Not even Mukta Purush, bonded soul. All different kind of complaints or criticism by him can prove that he was a total crazy. Totally crazy. Because Prabhupada can never speak like that. Bhaktivinoda Thakur can never act like that, but he is playing. So any Mahapurush Bhakya is always free from these four kind of defects, Brahma, Pramad, Vipralipsa, Karna, Pada. So Amnai Vakya, ta Sabdo, Praman, Aprakito Vachan, we can accept it. And also I wanted to say, or I want to say, that Praman and Prameyo, try to hear. Your attention please. Praman means evidence, Praman, Prameyo means Praman and Prameyo, if not of the same category, anyway problem can arise. So if we like to substantiate, if we like to substantiate, if we like to prove Bhagavan, then if we can take help of Sabda Brahma, more practical, because Bhagavan is also can take the form of Aprakita Sabda Brahma. So it's quite natural. So it's when Praman means the evidence, Prama means Praman means the procedure, documents through which Prama means to be proved. Prama means to be proved. This way, if Praman and Prameyo is of the same category, then there is a problem. It is a must. There must be a problem. It's a must. So Praman and Prameyo, we like to prove Bhagavan, Aprakita Bhagavan, and to prove Aprakita Bhagavan, we can take the help of Sabda Brahma, because Bhagavan is also having sound incarnation. So what problem is? So Praman or Prameyo, if not same category, then problem can arise. Aprakita Jagatir Gyan Sambandhi, regarding any aprakita Vishay, material knowledge, material scientific research, nothing can stand. Because already Prabhupada told, if we like to aprakita sabda Brahma, Prabhupada many times told, if I seek the path leading to the absolute truth, then I must ignore the countless voices of popular wisdom and listen only to that of the realized soul. So, aprakita tattva-vastu, regarding aprakita sattva-vastu, Praman is only Sabda Brahma, Sabda Praman. Sabda Praman. Vedavyas is Sabdavadi. Our all Guru Varga, Rupa Goswami, Sanatan, Jiva Goswami, all Sabdavadi, they depend upon. But surely we are not speaking about material sound. Because sound is two types of sound. One is material sound, another is aprakita sound. Say in the material world, all school, college, court, bank, anywhere, whatever work they are doing, by the help of material sound they are doing, and those sound, according to Bhakaran, sound can come out of our mouth by the help of the movement of our tongue. Kantha, talu, upper portion of our mouth, ushto, the lip, tongue, danta, all different kinds. Kantovarno, Kantovarno, talu, I mean the different places of pronunciation. If you pronounce for pronunciation, our tongue can touch different part inside our mouth. If failure, then we cannot speak sound. Sound is totally controlled by the tongue. So sound can come out, material sound can come out by the movement of tongue with by the movement of tongue, of prakriti, all prakriti. So all by the help of material sound we are getting lesson, I mean our education, everything done by material sound. But Aprakrita Sattva Brahma not like that. Aprakrita Sattva Brahma, sound incarnation, sound coming down. Some sound can come down to us to deliver us. To deliver us from material torture, sound can come. So, our Vyasadev is Sabdavadi, all Guru Varga Sabdavadi, all Sabdavadi. Also from Srimad Bhagavatam, it is identified already that a sadhu can be known by his sound. Yes, because in Bhagavatam we know already, it is written in Bhagavatam, what is the symptom of a guru? Sa guru me bhavi gachet samait bhan sautyam brahmanishtam, and in another place, sabde parecha nisnatam brahmani upasamasrayam. Sabde parecha nisnatam brahmani upasamasrayam. So, in Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavatam, it is the documents, the symptom of a sadhu who is versed both in Sabda Brahma, Sabde Pare, Apara Brahma Nishnato, very, very expert. Here, Sabdo surely means Shastra, Amnaya Bhakya or Ved. And the head part and the vital part, I mean head part, head portion of Veda is Vedanta. So, most of you have heard about Vedanta Sutra, and all Vedanta Sutra ultimately going to show that Sabda Brahma, I mean Sabda Praman, Sabda Brahma, Bhagavan in the form of sounds, sound incarnation of Bhagavan is all in all. What Bhaktivinoda Thakur has written in Kirtan, when you are in Siddha condition, Siddha Mahatma, then you can discover like Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Naam bina kichu nahi ko aro, Choddo bhuvano majhe, Krishna naam sudha kariya prana, জড়াও ভকতি বিনোদ প্রাণ নাম বিনা কিছু নাহি কো আর চৌদ্দ ভুবন মাঝে. Okay, so I can give one or two example so that you can realize the power of sound. Perhaps you know it is the culture in our Hindu society, Vedic culture. In the evening time and morning time we are blowing conch and showing dupa, deepa, in front of Bhagavan. It's the rules. So in the evening time or in the morning time, our mothers are in the temple, we are blowing conch, poo, this way. And the scientists, they have documents that by this conch blow, many kind of dangerous, dangerous germs, jivanu, get destroyed. Now you see the power of sabda. So surely sound has power. Also, material word, whatever you are pronouncing, one word if you make mistake eh, can can create a devastating condition. Fighting can take place. So, sabdo is all in all, nivartate arthabhavena pakriya yagata yataha, Brahma tattva, he is sabda tattva, all same, no doubt in it. And this sabda tattva, Vyasadeva, Vyasadeva, he has also written, Vyasadeva, he has also written in Vedanta, third sutra, Shastra Janitvat. I mean to know Bhagavan, let depend upon Sabda Brahma, because Bhagavan can be represented by a Prakriti Sabda. Bhagavan himself is Sabda Sarup. So without Shastra, Bhagavan, Sri Krishna already told to Arjuna also, what to do, what not to do, you will have to depend upon what to do, what not to do, all you have to depend upon Shastra. That's why he already told, Bhagavan Sri Krishna already told, Bhagavan Sri Krishna already told, what to do, what not to do, you must depend upon Shastra. Tasmat Shastra Praman Ante Karja Karjo Vyavasthita. Tasmat Shastra Praman Ante Karja Karjo Vyavasthita. This already proved. This way, Bhagavan can be proved by Shastra, Shastra Janitvat, already we know. After that, because Atma Sabdo, what do you mean by Atma Sabdo? Atma Sabdo means the object you want to prove, you want to indicate, and the object non-different from each other. One or two examples I can give so that you can realize. When Madhavendra Puripad when Srila Madhavendra Puripad crying, oh ha, Nanda Nandan Krishna, hey Vrindavan, oi Din Dyardhanad, Mathuranad, Kadavala Kashi, Hidayam Tadulu, Bhukatram, Dvaito Brahmati Kim Karomi. When Madhavendra Puripad crying this way, then Krishna itself present there. Itself present. Follow. Surdaji, another documents I can give. Another documents, Surdas ji, that Surdas is not that Surdas who took birth in Dapar Yuga. I am speaking about this Surdas, who is very exalted sadhu from Nimbaka Sampada, I think. The Chandu Sarovar, we used to go there. There, the Bhajan Kutir of Surdas ji, every day he used to go to Jatipura, Srinathji Mandir. That time Jatipura was the main center. Follow. In Giriraj Govardhan, there he used to go to sing in front of Srinathji Gopal. Because that time Srinathji was there. Follow. That time Srinathji was there. Every day, continuously for the 8 years, I think, he used to go. Even in the old age, with one stick, he cannot see because he is blind externally. He used to go in the temple of Srinathji, Jatipura. He used to sit there and sing. He used to sing. Follow. So one day, he used to go daily. There can be earthquake, heavy storm, drought, can be there, everything, any situation. But still, he used to go, without any fail. One day he was, coming back, cannot see, because I cannot see, eyes are blind eyes. So somehow he fell down in a blind, well. Krishna immediately Krishna came within fraction of second, appeared there, and he caught the hand of Srinathji, he caught the hand of Surdas ji, and took him out of the well. That means with the sound Krishna was there. No doubt in it. I can give another example, Aptabakho, or what is called Aprakita Sabda Brahma. So we say Atma Sabdo. You can remember in Dwaraka, when Krishna Balaram was there doing Dwaraka Leela, one day Jadubamsi, all the small boys from Jadubamsa, they in course of playing here and there in different, decorated Uddan, garden here, there, and they reach one group of sadhu. And that time they met Sambo, which is very nice looking, very. Sambo, with clothes and everything, the small naughty boys, they wanted to make the form of Sambo in such a way so that everybody can think he is a pregnant lady. So they went in front of Sadhu Muni Rishis, those who came here in the garden, and asked, and they are joking with Sadhu Muni, Sadhu Guru Muni, asking, she cannot ask you properly, she can give birth to a boy baby or girl baby. That was the joking. Then all Sadhu Guru, then all Rishimanis, they could realize that this naughty boy, they are joking with. Then they immediately give cards. Well, that boy can give birth to one piece of iron bar, which can be which will be the main reason of the destruction of total Jadu destiny. Follow. They become nervous. They came back and speaking all in details in the Sudharma Sabha, the assembly where Krishna Balaram, Uddhavji Maharaj, Ugra Sen all sitting. They are going to speak all everything. Then after hearing Krishna the where, after hearing Krishna speaking, okay, you can do one thing. The Jadubangsi, those who are high level, they took decision to rub against one stone, so iron become liquid. Iron can a very, very dust particle like, you can go on rubbing against very hard stone, then ultimately you can throw that into ocean, then problem is over. That was one kind of technique by Krishna. Main point is that on those days, previous, 100, 200, 500, 1000, previously, whatever Brahman Vaishnavas they used to say, it was proved that they are not speaking lie. So, here also you can see, the Mani Rishis, they are giving cards to those Jadubangsi, naughty boys, that Sambho, okay, you are joking with us, he can give birth to an iron fist which can be the reason for the destruction of the whole Jadu destiny. Yes, immediately after the cards, the Sambho discovered one iron piece in the belly. Sambho immediately. Previously, this kind of things. If somebody cuts somebody, immediately it becomes so. Like Gautama Rishi, you can remember. Gautama Rishi giving cards to Ahalya wife. There was some problem. Actually, Ahalya was not responsible for that. Anyway, so Ahalya, he was cursed by due to some reason. I am not going into that. Due to curse of Ahalya, due to curse of Gautami Muni, Ahalya Devi, his wife becomes stone. Immediately becomes stone. Hey, you become stone. Then after getting this curse crying, well, in Treta Yuga, Ramchandra can come and put his leg on your head, then you can again get back your body. Now, till then, you can take the form of a stone. Follow what I say? You take the form of a stone. This way I can give countless evidences, a Sabda Praman. Aptobakko, can indicate the object itself. Aptobakko always can indicate the object itself. Also in Vedanta Sutta, we already discussed this point. Bhagavan already told in Brahmanda Puran, Baccho sa sarvo sabdyanam sabdyascha na prithaka tataha Aptobakko has document reality, is not false. Another slok, fourth slok from Vedanta Sutra, Tattu Samannayat, Samannayat, auto sums perfectly, अतः एकमात्र अन्वयात अन्वय বা अनुकूल অনুশীলন तत्व समन्वयात mean Bhagavan, you can get Bhagavan by positive anusilan but not negative anusilan. Not by negative anusilan we cannot get. So this way we already have an idea that Nam Rupe Shabdo has akar, design and shape everything. Nam Rupe Kalikale Krishna Avatar. Also, Jiva Goswami has written in his Harinamamrita Bhakaran, Narayanat Udbhuto Ayam Varna Kramaha, that you already know. Also in Shastra we know Anantaparam Kila Sabda Sastram. Also Vedavyat already told in Vedanta Sutta. Anabrita Sabdat. Okay, Sabda means amnas, aprakita Sabdo. Hello? Anabrita Sabdat. In Bhagavatam also you know. Etad nibritvamananam michhatam akuto bhayam jaginam nipanirnitam harirnamanukirtanam Etad nibritvamananam michhatam akuto bhayam jaginam nipanirnitam harirnamanukirtanam. You already know. Anabrita Sabdat. Mahaprabhu already told Kirtaniyo Sadahari. Kirtaniyo Sadahari. So anyway, this is the Kripa of Sriman Mahaprabhu. He already told Cheta Darpanam Arjanam Baba Mahadavagni Nirvaparam Seyo Kairava Chandika Vitaranam Vidyavadhur Jivanam Anandan Mudivardhanam Patipadam Purnaimitva Swadanam Sarvatmasna Paramparam Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. This is the slogan of our Gauriya Math. This is the slogan of your Gauriya Math. We know from Shastra, Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Aiva Kevalam, Kalau Nasteva, Nasteva, Nasteva Gatirana. No other way. Going to confirm 3 times. To feel you, to make you feel the rigidity. Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Aiva Kevalam. Kalau Nasteva, Nasteva, Nasteva Gatirana. So in Kalikal, Tulsidas ji already told, Kalikal Keval Nama Adhara Samar Samarjip Uttarahi Par. Kalikal Keval Nama Adhara Samar Samarjip Uttarahi Para. So all Vedanta, Ved, Shastra, Bhagavatam, all going to prove that that Aprakita Sadhguru Vaishnava can speak Aprakita Sabda Brahma. If we can take help of that, surely we can cross over this material. It's surely 100%. Is it a proven fact? Sadhu Sange Krishna Nam Eimatro Chai. Sadhu Sange Krishna Nam Eimatro Chai. Sansar jinite ar kono vastu nai. Sadhu sange Krishna naam ei matro chai. Sansar jinite ar kono vastu nai. Brahma already told. Brahma also told Jnane prayasamudapasya namanti eva jivanti sanmukhoritam bhavadiya vartam sthane sthita sutigatam tonumang manovir je prayasa ajito jito piyosistais trilokyam. Brahma sthane sthita mean to say, to stay in front of sadhu. Sthane sthitaha sutigatam tonumang manovi. I mean, I can stay in front of Sadhguru Vaishnava, where they can go on speaking Harinam, Harikatha. I can go on hearing by the help of this, by the help of my ear, I can go on hearing, which can cut all my unearth of my heart. I can come out successful, no problem. I can come out successful. So, Brahma already told, Brahma already, Sanisthitaha satigatam tanubang manovi. Follow. You already Brahma told. Jnane prayasam udapasya. Namantu eva. Jnana prayasam udapasya. I can throw my material effort. I can stop playing my brain. Jnane prayas, I have knowledge, I am a knowledgeable personality, so I can solve all problems. That is useless, obsolete. Because in a Prakriti Jagat, material sound can get no entry. Material sound can never get entry in a Prakriti Jagat. It is impossible. So, in Bhagavatam, Brahma speaking this way, Brahma, and all different. Mahaprabhu say, Kirtaniya Sadahari, already Mahaprabhu told, so many documents you can find. By the help of sound, we can go out of that problem. Without taking help of Sabda Brahma, there is no other way open in front of us. Big problem will be there. So Sabda Brahma is the best. So he can take help of Aprakita Sabda Brahma. So Bhadrayan Rishi, Mukhabja Vigalito, he wanted to show us the sound incarnation of Bhagavan, Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran and all other Purans, everything, Veda, Vedanta, everything, you wanted to show to us. That's a... So, now we can come, because that explanation is almost, Sarupa Goswami wanted to take help of Sabdo, wanted to take advantage of sound incarnation, Sabdo Praman. So now Rupa Goswami wanted to write without expressing any lethargy, because by watching the big, very, very big like Mahabharata, this big book, Brihad Bhagavatamrita, somebody can feel problem, lethargy to go through that book. So, and also ordinary man cannot realize, that's why easy, understandable, this Laghu Bhagavatamrita was compiled by him so that all common people somehow can realize the gist of Brihad Bhagavatamrita. Rupa Goswami was speaking, I am getting the taste of that. Rupa Goswami was saying, I wanted to get the taste of that Brihad Bhagavatamrita, very, very easy way. Paramritadvaina hi purne siddhanta varido रोचिते रूपपादेन लघु भगवतामृते परामृतोद्वयेन हि पूर्णे सिद्धांत वारिधौ रचिते रूपपादेन लघु भगवतामृते आभास बलदेवस्य सूक्ष्माटिकानुसारतः केनचित् हरिभक्तेन लिच्यते ब्रजवासिन. Yes. Now next, second sloka we can find. Second we can find. I mean, fast is actually what? What I again told, because that previous week I told, Namaste Bhagavate Krishnaya Kuntamedase Yadhatte Sarvabhutanam Abhavayushati Kalaha. What I told? Rupa Goswami Bhat giving bandana, doing bandana, paying pranam, Om Namo Sri Krishnaya. First of all, first part dealing with Krishnamrita. Second part we can come across after some time Bhaktamrita, Krishnamrita Bhaktam. Krishnamrita first, Namastasmai Bhagavate Krishnaya Kuntamedase Yadhatte Sarvabhutanam Abhavayo Sati Kalaha. After that, the second sloka I can pronounce. That is called what? That is called Krishna Varnam Tishav Krishnam Sangopangastaparshadam Yagvair Sankirtana Prayar Jajanti Sumedhasaha. Krishna Varnam Trisha Akishnam Sangopangastaparshadam Yagvair Sankirtana Prayar Jajanti Sumedhasaha. What is the meaning? A very general meaning everybody knows. First of all, I like to discuss this point from Bhagavatam, because Mahaprabhu coming in a very secret form. Though he was arrested by Rai Ramananda, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana, his Supreme Lord, but still he never wanted to identify himself as Supreme Lord. Avatar nahi bole ami avatar. He wanted to conceal, wanted to hide himself. So, we already discussed Iswaraha, Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha, Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. That we already know. We have idea. Bhagavan is usually known as Trijuga. Trijuga, you know? Because Bhagavan is known as Trijuga. Three means three. Why? Because Bhagavan can manifest himself in Satya, Teta, Dapa, but in Kalikal, very secretly. So, Prahlad Maharaj speaking in 7th canto of Bhagavatam, Ithyam nitiryak rishi deva jasavatarayir lokana vibhavayasi hansi jagat pratipano dharmam mahapurusapasi juganuvitvam channo kalau yad abhavahasti jugo athutam. Why? In Shastra it is written Bhagavan is known as Tri-yuga. Why? Because nobody can realize Bhagavan in Kali-yuga. Itvam ni tirijag risi deva jasavatarir lokana vibhavayasi hansi jagat pratipano Dharmam Mahapurusapasi Yugan Vritvam Channaha Kalau Yad Abhavahas Trijugo Atho Satam. Bhagavan, you are known identified as Sri Yuga, because Satya, Teta, Dapar, everybody can realize you are Bhagavan, but in Teta Yuga you are not going to identify yourself as Bhagavan. That's why you have taken birth, usually you have taken birth in the form of human being, in the race of human being, in the race of beast, in the race of birds, in the race of Rishi Manis, in the race of demigods, in the race of aquatic element like Matsya, follow, Kurma, etc. This way, you want to clean or clear. You want to make the world free of tension by killing all demons, everything, and you are going to help maintaining creation to cut all problem. And according to Yuga, you are going to maintain and protect Dharma, because in Bhagavatam 10 canto already speaking, Bhagavan always protecting Dharma. Bhagavan protecting Dharma, na? Bhagavan always protecting. So, in Bhagavatam 10 canto, Parikshit Maharaj speaking, Samsthapanaya dharmasya prasanayutarasya cha avatirnahi bhagavan amshena jagadishvaraha Samsthapanayo dharmasya prasamayo itarasya cha. And in Gita also, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhuttvana adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham paritrāṇayo sadhunam vinasāya duskritam sambhavami yuge yuge. In Gita also. Here also, Parikshit Maharaj speaking, dharmo samsthapanārthayo, dharmo samsthapanayo dharmasya, samsthapanayo dharmasya, prasamayo itarasya cha. Bhagavan appearing to re-establish dharma and to stop the propagation of adharma. Samsthapanayo dharmasya prasamayo itarasya cha. Samsthapanayo dharmasya prasamayo itarasya cha. Avatirnahi Bhagavan angshena jagadishvaraha. Bhagavan appearing. It's all the document. So, this way there is so many documents. So Bhagavan coming. Ityam nitir yag rishi deva jasavatare. Ityam ni tirjag rishi deva jasavatarer lokan vibhavayasi hansi jagat pratipano dharmam mahapurusha pasi yuganuvritvam channo kalau yad abavaha strijugo atho satam. That's why you are known as Triyuga. That's why you are known as Triyuga. So it is known to all, everything. Now, there is so many, discussion we'll have to do, maybe complete discussion not possible this week. Sometime next when I can discuss, then I can. Krishna Varnam, Trisha Akishnam, Shangopangastu Parashadam, Yagai Sankirtana Prayer Jajanti Sumedasa. So many points we'll have to discuss here. Big discussion is. First of all, Krishna Varnam, follow. It is spoken by Karvajan Rishi. Karvajan कवि हवि अंतरिक्ष प्रबुद्ध पिपलायन अविरक्त द्रुमील चामस करभाजन. In Nova Yogendra, 9 Yogendras, in front of them Nimi Maharaj went on putting different questions, and question answer we can find in the form of Srimad Bhagavatam. What was the question Nimi Maharaj wanted to put? One nice question. When, in what form Bhagavan coming, and why, how we can detect him as Bhagavan, all, which color, which mood. So what was the question? I can come, and finally we can prove Sri Gauranga Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself, or Krishna himself is Gauranga Mahaprabhu. That we can prove. That is the first, program of this book. So, Nimi Maharaj asking in front of Karvajan Rishi, because one by one they all went on giving answer to different questions, So Rajovacho, Kasmin Kale Sa Bhagavan King Varna Kidrisho Nevi Namna Vakena Vidina Pujjate Tadiho Uchatam. Could you please answer? Could you please answer to this question? I like to know, Kasmin Kale, which time, when, which Juga saw Bhagavan, that Bhagavan appear in the material world for different purposes to protect Dharma and to protect Dharma, to revive or re-establish Dharma and to stop the propagation of adharma. Kasmin kale sa Bhagavan king varnaha kidrisho nirvi namna vakena vidina pujjate tadihochatam. Bhagavan in different time to time, which color, which mood, how we can know, how he is worshipped, what is the rules, what is the Baba? Kasmin kale sa Bhagavan king varna kidrishonivi namna vakena. What is the name? Because time to time when Bhagavan comes, Shuklo, Raktas, Tatha, Pito, ityadi. We know Ramchandra coming in Treta Yuga. But in every Dapar Yuga, Krishna not coming. This is the first point try to clarify. First point try to get clarified. All Kali Yuga, Gauranga Mahaprabhu not coming. All Dapar Yuga, surely Bhagavan Krishna not coming. Follow. In one daytime of Brahma, one time. The daytime 1000 Satyayug, 1000 Dapar Yug, 1000 Treta Yug, 1000 Kali Yug. And straightway we know, in one Manvantara, 14 Manvantar there, 14 Manvantar, one Manu, 14 Manvantar. Manvantar means one Manu, Savarni Manu, different names are there. All 14 Manus, Vaivasvan Manu. So one Manu topple. One Manu going to retire, another Manu is appointed. These are 14 Manus. So seven Manvantara, and 27 Chaturjuga. Follow. 27 Chaturjuga. Well, That time, Bhagavan appeared, Bhagavan Sri Krishna. One time in a daytime of Brahma. 14 Manu, we are speaking about 7th Manu, and 7th Manu, and there 27th Manvantar, 27th Manvantar, 27th Manvantar. That time, Bhagavan Sri Krishna appeared, and after Bhagavan Sri Krishna gone, that particular Kali Yuga, I can clarify this point again. Next time when I can discuss. Next time I can clarify this point. So, kasmin kales Bhagavan king varnaha kidrisho nibhi namnavakena vidina pujyate tadiho ucchatam. Then Karvajan Rishi speaking, Satta Yuga, Teta Yuga, 1 Manu, 7 to 2 Chatur Yuga, Chuattar, 74, Chuattar, or Bahattar, I forget. Anyway, and out of that 27th Manvantar, Bahattar I think, not Chuattar, 72, Chatur Yuga. I had to check up, anyway. So, Karvajan Rishi giving answer, Kritam te tada parancha kali riti rete shukeshava nana varna vidhakaro nanaivo vidine jati Kritam teta daparancha kali riti eteshu liti eteshu Keshavaha Arthat Krishna nana varna bhidhakaro, different body color, different mood, different form, different purpose, and na karo nanaivo vidine jate. In different form, a procedure of his bhajan is also different. Ijjate means pujjate. Ijjate means pujjate. So, kritam teta daparancha kali reti reteshu keshavaha nana varna bhi dhakaro nanaivo vidino ijjate. In different procedure, paddhatis there, by which he can be worshipped. Okay? Like now, Karvajan is speaking, Krite in Satta Yuga, Krite Shuklas Chaturbahu, Jatilo Balkulambara, Krishna Jino Upovitakshano, Bribhadando Kamandala. Krite in Satta Yuga, Shukla Varno ka body color is white, 4 arms, Bahu, there is matted here, and wearing valkal and the skin of trees, and or valkalambaraha, Krishna jino upavitakshano vibhrad dandakam, catching dandakamandul, Krishna jin means some special deer. As from that skin of the deer, one can make asan, upavid, mane, this yogopavid, everything. Krite shuklas chaturbahu jatilo valkalambara Krishna jino upavitakshano vibradando kamandalu. This is the center. In Satyuga. Manushastu tada shanta nirvaira suhridaha samaha jajanti tapasa devam samena cha damena cha. On those days, human beings are very tranquil, almost free of any sinful activities. They used to worship him by tapasya, austerity and penances, tapasya. And manusastu tada santa nirvaya suhridaha sama. That time though there was no so much envious attitude all around. At the same time, so samaha, they had control over their sense organ and everything. Manusyastu tada santa nirvairaha suhidaha samaha jajanti tapasa devam samena cha tamena cha. Okay. And that time what happened? Hanso suparno vaikuntho dharmo yogeswaru amala Ishvaraha purusho abhyakto paramatmeti giyate. Hansaha suparno vaikuntho dharmo yogeswara amalaha Ishvaraha purusho abhyaktaha paramatmeti giyate. That time different name was there. Hanso suparno vaikuntho dharmo Yogeswaro amalo Ishvaraha Purusho Bhakto Paramatmeti Yat. In Teta Yuga, Tetayam Raktavarno Asau Chaturbahu Stri Mekhalaha Hiranno Hiranno Keshastaryatma Strak Srubadi Upalakshanaha. In Teta Yuga, Raktavarno, red color, Asau, Chaturbahu, 4 hands, Chaturbahu, Stri Mekhalaha, wearing, and Hiranyakes, the hair color is almost golden. Hair color, our hair color is black. He is speaking Hiranno Keshas Taryatma Saksrubadi Upalakshanam. That time Jogya and Saksrub, different items of Jagya, and he is decorated with those kind of symptoms, everything. Okay. And after that, speaking which name? Balatam tada manuja devam sarvadeva mayam harim jajanti vidyaya starya dharmishta brahmavadina. Well, at that time, what was the procedure? That's one by Yagya. Tvam tada manuja. All human beings that time, also Devam, the demigods, sarva vedamayam harim jajanti. They used to worship Vidyatarya by Vedic Hayam and Dharmishta Brahmavadina. Those who are Brahmavadi Rishi, Dharmishta, those they used to worship this way. Or what was the name? Name, different name. Vishnu Yagya Prishnigarvaha Sarvadeva Urukramaha Vrishakapir Jayantascha Urugaya iti iryate. That time, people, pure people, they used to call him Vishnu, Vishnur Yagyaha Prishnigarvaha Sarvodeva Urukramaha Vrishakapir Jayantascha Urugayo iti iryate. By this name he used to, by all this name. Somebody calling this way, somebody calling that way. Vishnur Yagyo Prishnigarvo Sarvadeva Urukramaha Vrishakapir Jayantascha Urugayo iti iryate. Okay. Now in Dapar Yuga, Bhagavan Shyamaha Pitabasa Niyayudaha Srivaswadivir Ankoischalakshanayurupalakshitam. Now here some fallacy you will have to realize. Dapare Bhagavan Syamaha Pitabasa Niyayudaha Sivaswadivir Rankwischa Lakshanirupalakshita. Different Sivaswadi Lakshan symptoms, so by which he could be known. Dapare and Syamaha. Now this Syamaha, this is usual Chaturyuga. I already told, every Chaturyuga, every Chaturyuga consisting of Satta, Teta, Daparkali. Ekattar 71, I remember. Ekattar Chaturju. Follow. Each Chaturjuga consisting of Satta, Teta, Daparkali. This way all Sattajuk and Tetajuk is 4,32,000 years, 4,32,000, 4,32,000, 4,32,000 years, the lifespan of Kali Yuga. Just you can make it a double, 8,64,000 years, where Dapar Yuga. Kali Yuga is 4,32,000. Dapar Yuga is 8,64,000 years. Just make it double, then you can get Teta Yuga, and yet you will have to make it double, then you can get Satya Yuga. That is the lifespan. This way, each Chatur Yuga consisting of Satyacheta Daparkuli, each Chatur Yuga. But each and every Chatur Yuga, we cannot get Krishna. Each Dapar Yuga cannot, each Dapar Yuga we cannot get Krishna. Each Kali Yuga we cannot get Gauranga. All general Chatur Yuga, general Kali Yuga, all it is the description of all general Chatur. And the very special we can indicate from Bhagavatam how our Garga Muni is speaking. I can go back and try to explain this one. What is the indication of Garga Muni at the time of nomenclature? When used to give name, Namkaran. That time Garga Muni was given a very secret place inside Gaushala and Gokul. Follow. That time Garga Muni told, okay, I can give name. Okay. That time the forecast of Garga Muni was Asano Varnastrayu Hiyaso Grinnata Anujugam Tanuhu Shuklo Raktastathapi to Idanim Krishnatam Gata. I can try to explain that each and every word, so that you can realize the indication of Garga Muni. What is the meaning of this sloka? Inner meaning. What Garga Muni wanted to say. That is very important. Garga Muni is speaking, Ashano, Ashit, Asano. Ashit means singular, Asan. Asana, Varanastrayo, different Varna, here so, Ashokasho, this baby, indicating Krishna. Asano, Varanastrayo, 3 different body colors of this boy. He used to take the form of different colors and different आसनो वर्णस्त्रयो यस्सु आसनो वर्णस्त्रयो हि यस्सु गृह्णतो अनुजुगम तनुः. What is the three colors? Shuklo, Raktos, Tatha, Pito. Try to understand. Gargamuni now, almost at the end of Dapar Yuga, sitting to give one very auspicious program, and he wanted to give name to Krishna and Balaram. That was the very holy, auspicious function. And that time Gargamuni wanted to indicate what is the inner meaning. You will have to wait and watch. Very inner meaning. Asano varnastrayo hiyaso grinnato anujugam tanu. This your small baby, time to time in different yugas, taking the form of different form and body color, everything. What color? Shukla, white, Rakta, what I already told, from Karvajan Rishi. Shuklo, means white, Rakto, red color, Pito, means somebody speaking golden, but I can come to this discussion. Actually, golden complexion is Gauranga, golden avatar. But Pito has some meaning, like parrot, his body is just like that in general Kali Yuga. And in special Kali Yuga, golden avatar. So, Shuklo Raktos Tatha Pito Idanim Krishnatam Gataha. Idanim means, try to understand. Try to understand what? Shuklo Satyayug, I already told from Karvajan discussion, Karvajan Rishi. Shuklo, Rakto in Teta Yuga, and now our Gargamuni is sitting at the end of some particular Teta Yuga, I already told, Dapar Yuga, with 27th Chatur Yugas end. And now speaking, at present, he has taken the form of Krishnatam Gataha. His body now darkness, dark color, Krishnatam Gataha. So, by this Suklo Raktos Tatha Pito, what he wanted to indicate? If somebody is speaking, like Gargamuni speaking, Suklo Raktos Tatha Pito, your boy in different yugas used to take different colors and different yugas, and now at present taking a dark color, Krishna Varna. Then what do you mean? Surely you can understand, Shuklo means Satya Yuga, and Rakto Varno means Teta Yuga, and Idaning means that particular Dapur Yuga, dark color. Then what is the left? Teta Yuga. Then what is the left? Then Kali Yuga. That Kali Yuga, Pito Varna. Pito Varna. That we can come and discuss. That's been, hey Bajaraj, time to time, this your small boy is taking avatar, and your boy in different yugas taking the form of white, red, and Pita, Varna, but at present in the Dapar Yuga is taken the form of Krishna Varna, Krishnatta Prapta. So, Gargo Muni wanted to say Satto Teta, Purvakta Suklo Rakto, is all general Chatur Yuga. Especially when we can discuss about special Chatur Yuga, I mean the particular Chatur Yuga within that period, in Dapar Yuga when Krishna coming, immediately after that Krishna gone, Gauranga coming. Dapare, in Dapar Yuga, Sham means Shukapatravu Sham. Shuk Pakshi parrot. His body color like Sam, Varno, Nambisu Sadharan Yuge, Yugavata Sali Krishna. So it is indicated as Krishna. Idaning Krishnatam Gataha, at present, he has taken the form of Krishnatva. So, Krishnatva, what do you mean by Krishnatva? Everything English translation knows first. Krishnatva, here he wanted to say, the Krishna himself, who is the source of all avatar, countless avatar. Krishnastu Bhagavan Sayam. Particularly, this Dapar Yuga gone, try to understand. Gargamuni speaking about this particular Chatur Yuga, and particular Dapar Yuga, which is this Chatur Yuga. I mean Satyajug gone, Tretajug gone, Ramchandra came, Ramchandra is a different avatar, but here, in general Chatur Yuga, I already told, Sukla Raktas Tatapito, I was discussing this point. Krito Kritam Teta Daparancha Kritam Teta Daparancha Kuli Reteshu Keshavaha Nana Varna Bhidhakaru Nanaivo Vidhinaijate Krite Shuklo Chaturbahur Jatilo Valkalambaraha Krishnajino Upo Vitakshano Bibhradanda Kamandalu Krite Shuklos Chaturbahur Jatilo Valkalambaraha Krishnajino Upo Vitakshano Bibhradanda Kamandalu Manushastu tada shanta narvaira suhidaha samaha jajanti tapasa devam samena cha damena cha hanso suparno vaikunto dharmo yogeswaro amalaha ishvaraha purusho abhyaktaha paramatmeti giyate, all honors, different names. In Teta Yuga, I already told Tetayam Raktavarana Asau Chaturbahu Stri Mekhalaha Hiranna Keshas Tariyatma Suksrabadi Upalakshanaha Tvam Tada Manuja Devam Sarvadeva Mayam Harim Jajanti Vidyaya Tariya Dharmishta Brahmavadinaha Vishnur Yagya Prishnigarva Sarvadeva Urukramaha Vrishakapir Jayantascha Urugayo Iti Irjati. Dapare, in Dapar, general Dapar, Dapare Bhagavan Samaha Pitabasa Nijayudaha Sivaswadivir Lakshanaischo Anquaischo Lakshani Rupa Lakshana, again. Dapare Bhagavan Shyama Pitabhasani Yayuda Sivasadi Bhirankwescha Lakshanai Rupa Lakshitam Tvam Tada Purusham Marta Maharajopalakshanam. What? Tvam. At that time, Dapar Yuge. Tvam Tada Purusham Marta Maharajopalakshanam Jajanti Vedo Tantyabhyam Param Jigyasavo Nina. Namaste Vasudevaya Namaha Sankarsanaya Cha Pradyunnaya Niruddhaya Tubhyam Bhagavate Namaha Narayanayo Rishaye Purushayo Mahatmane Visheshwarayo Vishwayo Sarvabhutatmane Namaha Iti Daparo Urvasi Iti Daparo Urvasi Stubanti Jagadiswaram Nana Tantro Vidadena Kalau Opi Tadaspinu Iti Daparo urvisho stubanti jagadiswaram uru isho urvisho iti dapara urvisha iti dapara urvishaha stubanti jagadiswaram nana tantra vidhanena kalau api tadasvina. So Kali, how? Now you hear about Kali. After that, the sloka speaking what Rupa Goswami writing in the fast to prove Krishna is all in all, I mean Gauranga. So Kali, Krishna Varnam Tisha Akishnam Sangopangastu Parshadam Yagvai Sankirtana Prayari Jajanti Samedasa. Okay? Now, Gargamuni speaking, Sattva all Sadharan Chogi, Sadharan ordinary Chaturjuga avatar, Visheshatabaha Asadharan Hatije, here Dapar and Kuli. Don't understand. Usually Sattva Dapar, Koli, each Chaturjuga, each in every Yuga, all different avatars coming, Yuga avatars. This particular Yuga avatar, I mean this Kalika, that particular Yuga avatar, he could not get proper time to appear. Because Gauranga Mahaprabhu already. So in Gauranga Mahaprabhu itself, that Yugavatar already came. He was submerging him. I can explain it again. This particular Dapar Yuga, also same case. Since Krishna coming, so you could not get time, so within Krishna he took avatar. Within Krishna, all avatar. Because I already told that all he took, all avatars going to appear with Krishna. So Krishna is not avatar, actually avatari. Krishna is actually avatari, not avatar. Mane, who is the source of all avatar? So this point you should remember. If you are in confusion, you cannot realize. Each and every Chaturjuga, one by one, I can go and explain. Because Rupa Goswami, first of all, Rupa Goswami wanted to establish this point that Krishna Varnam, Tisha Akrishnam, Sangapangastavarsadam, Jaggair Sankirtana Payai Jajantihi Samedasaha, wanted to prove that Gauranga Mahaprabhu is our worshipable object. Gauranga Mahaprabhu, first of all, particularly this, and the previous, just previous, Dapar Yuga Krishna came. So also I can discuss the inner meaning of this sloka spoken by Gargamuni. Asano varnastrayo hi asso grinnato anujugam tanu suklo raktastatapita idanim krishnatam gataha. I can discuss this point, not today, time is over. So, please excuse me, I will have to discuss this point. So, Krishna Varanam Tishav Krishnam Sangapanga Astaparsadam Yaggai Sankirtana Payai Jajanti Sumedasaha Vancha Kalpadurusya Kipa Sindhu Vicha Patitanam Pavanibho Vishnabhyo Namo. Excuse me, I beg for pardon. Really, I regret for the fact that due to severe internet problem, I am feeling disgusted to speak smoothly. In fact, I forgot to speak some special points which I like to speak right now. Anyway, I like to add some more special points here, that within 14th Manantar, only at 7th Manantar, I mean Vaivasvata Manantar, when the 27th Chaturjuga is over, then on 28th Chaturjuga, at the end of the Parayuga, Krishna appear, and just after that, at the beginning of that particular Kali, Sri Gauranga Mahaprabhu, the golden avatar appear. Remember, each Manvantar having 71 Chaturjugas. And within one day of Brahma, Krishna appearing only one time, and immediately after that, Gauranga Mahaprabhu appearing, not always and every time. Excuse me.